March corn was modestly higher after being lower earlier in the session. South American weather continues to be a highlight or a focus of the market, and concerns are lingering for both Argentina and for Brazil, but for different reasons. Rains did occur in Argentina, but they are looking at hot and dry weather again next week. And for the month of January, they received about half the precipitation that they normally would. So there's a lot of catching up that needs to do. And crop conditions, which were released yesterday, did slide a little bit. Their corn crop is considered to be 25% in the good category. That's down 3% from last week at 28%. And 26% in the poor category. That's up 4% from last week at 22%. So that will continue to be a concern. It does seem like the weather pattern has gotten a little wetter, but they're going to need more in order to catch up and to improve those crop conditions, or at least stop the slide that they've been seeing. And in the meantime, planting delays are occurring in Mato Grosso. Mato Grosso in Brazil is the largest corn producing state. It accounts for about 50% of their overall second season safrinha corn crop. That is what we call their export crop. That accounts for about 70% of their overall corn production. And it's a very important thing. And the later it gets planted, the later it gets harvested. And that pushes it back into what is considered to be a fairly dangerous, typical hot and dry time frame for them, which would be during grain fill for corn. So that is something that the market is monitoring very closely. As of Sunday, that corn crop in Mato Grosso was 6% planted as compared to the 5-year average of 19%. So we'll be watching that forecast very closely. In the meantime, we had export sales. Our weekly export sales came in at the high end of expectations of 1.477 million metric tons. The trade had been looking for 850 to 1.5 million metric tons. So it was a pretty good number, and we continue to see these pretty good numbers for weekly export sales for corn. A lot to be watching for in this corn market right now. So everybody, you take care, stay tuned, and stay safe.